My name's Sam Miles. I work for Parsons, and we produce mostly ready-mix ags. So before we had the McLanahan system, just got to where it wasn't cost effective to try to make those three sands. So we wanted to go to just make one sand. So that's when we brought Kimball equipment, McLanahan in to help us with our problem. We put in 2 McLanahan cyclones on a tower. We'll put in 2 screws and 2 dewatering screens to complete the process that we're doing. We know it's doing a lot of good because the pile of sand will actually stack up now, where before we couldn't hardly get it to stack. So you're running about 20% moisture in your sand before the dewatering screens. Now we're 8, 10, and they proposed this UFR plant, and it's got 6 cyclones on a dewatering screen. So we're using the product comes out of the UFR. We're making a sellable bedding sand out of it. So far, it's been a really good system. We got good support from Kimball's and McLanahan on any problems we have. McLanahan UFR plant's pretty much maintenance free. We just turn it on, runs all day long. So it's able to handle everything we're trying to do with it. McLanahan's been an asset to what we're doing.